I want to show you something that could make your trading so much easier and so much better. And it is the latest version of our FlashTrader flagship product that I'm now calling One-Click Trader, because I think that's a much better description of exactly what we intend to do with the product. So if you don't mind, let's take a look at the One-Click Trader. Can we pull it up on the chart? Yeah, there. No. Oh, sorry. Sorry. My fault. I need to share it. I need to share it. Let me share my screen. There we go. Share it. Okay. There we go. So we should be able to see it now, right? There we go. So I want to just kind of run you through, and I hope you guys really like it. And again, totally free to you guys if you have an Eightcap account. If you are thinking of having an Eightcap account, this is the perfect reason to start one, because I'm only making this available to Eightcap customers. If you have a brokerage account with another company, the easiest thing you want to do is take some money out of it, or better yet, close that whole account and move it over to Eightcap with great prices, great trading, great spreads. But most importantly, the fact that you're going to get access to the One-Click Trader. And let me show you what it does. It'll take just a couple of seconds, but I hope you guys will really enjoy it. I'm putting my glasses on. That's how serious I am at this point. So when you're looking at MetaTrader 5, this is just a classic MetaTrader 5. We're looking at gold right now, right? And this is one of my MetaTrader 5 accounts. You click over here. You have the bid and the ask tiles over here, the buy and the sell, right? Let's imagine I'm going to buy gold. I was trying to make it small. I'm going to buy the smallest possible increment of gold here at 0.1, right? I'm going to buy it over here. So the first thing that you see when I buy it is that the stop loss and the take profit are empty. It's impossible to make a single click entry into MetaTrader and attach a stop loss and a profit to your account. You then have to go right click, modify, blah, blah, blah. Here, now the window is off my other chart. Let me just bring that over here. Modify, blah, blah, blah. Take 10 million years before you
you can't see it on there.
Now you can see it, right? Bottom line is you can't even, it'll take you minutes to kind of just adjust your trade in the way the MetaTrader is written. However, if you have, and by the way, watch this. I'm just going to hit the close button over here. I don't know. I can't do it because it's not over here. I got to close this out of here. If you wanted to be able to enter into a position and have the complete safety and security and knowledge that your position was protected both on the profit side and on the stop side, there's nothing better than this One-Click Trader. So the way it works is you have the buy button over here, the sell button over here. You even have a buy at bid. You can actually try to buy at bid. You put a limit order at bid, and it will just sit there and let you buy at bid or sell at the offer. That's how you can do it. But the best way, the easiest way to kind of construct this is you have these little buttons over here. You can decide, I'm going to try and buy 1 point lot or maybe 0.2 lot. I just double click this and I can just add 3/10 of a lot. I'm going to start with my stop loss of 200 points. I'm going to put my take profit at 200 points. Let's just say, just for argument's sake, those are my beginning things. I've set that up. I'm going to hit, let's say sell, because it looks like gold is going down. I'm going to hit sell. Now watch what happens. As soon as I hit sell, both my stop and my target are up there. And as a matter of fact, I'm positive I can close out this trade. Watch how fast I can close out this trade. Boom. I just closed out a trade and made money in 5 seconds flat. You could not, even in the best possible condition, be able to do this with the kind of consistency, granularity, and ability without this incredible applet. But it goes much more beyond that. Suppose I'm going to go back in and sell it again, right? And suppose now I want to change my stop from 200 to maybe 300. All I got to do is just type in 300, apply stop, and now my stop is pushed back. Or maybe I want to change my take profit to just 50 points. And I'm going to apply take profit to 50 points. And now the whole thing, if it goes to 50 points, is going to take me out the take profit completely clear. What if I wanted to add another position? Let's say I wanted to do another sell position, another sell position, another sell position, and then I had 4 sell positions. I want to close everything all at once. The thing that traders always tell me, I wish I had a button to close me out completely, because sometimes I'm on the right side of the market, I'm making so much money, and I gotta try to close them on individually, and of course I lose money. Or sometimes I just want to get out of my positions. This is your get out of Dodge card free position. A button that does it for you just so super easily. Just hit the button. It's written on the thing. Close all positions. You hit it. You're done. And by the way, from what I'm told, a lot of people in Eightcap still trade MT4. First of all, stop. Come back to the 21st century and start trading MT5. But even if you're trading MT4, the exact same applet that I'm showing you right now, I just wanted to show you a prettier, more advanced version. I have the MT4 version too. So if you want the MT4, the question you're going to all ask me, yes, there's an MT4 version, and I'm happy to give it to you, just as I'm happy to give you the MT5 version. But here's the last and final piece that I want to share with you. This is the thing I think you're all going to love. I'm going to show you an extreme example, but just imagine a realistic example. This applet comes with something called the kill switch button. The kill switch button does the following. It asks you, how much money do you want to lose that day? Like, in other words, I want to, how many of us have started trading, said, I don't want to lose more than $100, and then just went on tilt, which is a very common trading term where you just go completely crazy. And you're like, I'm gonna get it back. I'm gonna get it back. And before you know it, you lost $3,000-$4,000 completely unintentionally, right? Because you had a plan of like, I'm only gonna lose a couple $100 if things go wrong in my way. Well, this thing really helps you stick to your plan. Let me show you how it does it. We can turn the kill switch off. And the way we do it is we're gonna go into properties over here. But you can't see the window. I'm sorry, you guys can't see the window. But we're just simply going to turn the kill switch on, and the default value is $100. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it $20, just to give you an extreme case. And you're going to see what happens if I start losing more than $20 on my position, right? So gold now is rounded, right? I'm going to buy gold, right? And I'm going to buy gold in size, so that my losses start to kind of escalate. But now, of course,
you can't help but make profit.
Right now, I'm going to close all positions. Now I'm going to make all money. So now I'm going to go short gold. This is always the really fun part. So we just made $50. You saw, by the way, we made $50 in less than 2 seconds with this applet. That's how fast it is. But now I'm going to go negative. I just got to see minus $20. Let me just go maybe sell more. Let's see how much negative, and it goes positive against me. Oh, there we go. Finally, boom. You saw how fast that was? I didn't do anything. I didn't do a single thing to protect myself. The applet totally protected me. I just, first of all, I made $50 on the positive side, and I lost $20. And now it says trading suspended. Go back to the corner, little boy, and go trade. And what's going to happen is tomorrow morning, in 24 hours, it will reset itself and let me trade. Look how good that is. It keeps you from your worst possible instinct through just very, very clean, intelligent software. All yours with every Eightcap account you guys want. I will also create a trading form for that. You just got to fill it out, and I'll be happy to fulfill that for you. But if you are not an Eightcap customer, and you can be one, you are coming from any region where Eightcap can take you as a customer, this is the reason for you to open an account. Open the account, and I'm happy to send this to you. And with that, I think we are going to pretty much end, right? We don't have any more questions. I think we're good on all of that.
I'll definitely have to use that tool, Boris, and to make sure I don't lose more than $20 a day, and
exactly,
and to be locked out of my account if I do.